everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing how I make my ofe nsala, that is white soup. White soup is a very healthy meal or soup because of the too much proteins it contains, and also the fact that it does not contain, as in like there is no oil used in making this soup. So the usual or the regular way of making this soup is by choosing either chicken or goat meat, or sometimes you can still use catfish. Funny enough, as in this recipe I'm about making is a combination of both goat meat and also chicken. There is this unique taste that these two different things gives to this soup. So I want to show you how I make it, so keep watching. So in a pot I have my goat meat, so I'll be seasoning with some bouillon cube and salt. Then the pepper I blended, that is I just reserved this one to show you the particular one I use, this yellow habanero pepper and the red one. It gives this soup a very unique taste. So I blended the pepper, so I'll use it to season the meat, and then I'll go in with the stockfish and start cooking without water, so that all of the sweet taste from the seasoning and everything will get into our meat. Then before and then introduce our chicken and yam. As you can see, the chicken is already there. I'm still not going to add water. I want the chicken to get the pepper flavor and everything. So I will still cover to cook for some minutes before adding water. So I just added some water. I'll go ahead to adjust the seasoning. I'll add more bouillon cube and salt, because as I added water, if I don't do that, our chicken will not have, it will lose the taste, the chicken and the goat meat. So this is the ogiri. That's what I'll be using, and this is a mixture of pepper soup spice. This is the leaves I'll be using: Utazi leaf and Uziza. Of course, I told you this soup is just not going to be the regular one. I'm going to put every table. So at this point, the yam is cooked, so I'm bringing them out now to pound. You can pound, you can blend. If you have a food processor, you can. After I'm pounding it, because it's a new, as the yam is new, all this is a new yam now. So it's not stressful like to pound. I even enjoy pounding, very soft. Like as you can see, I'm even using one hand to pound. It's very soft. It didn't stress me at all. Like at this point, my husband was even like, in fact, I'm going to eat pounded yam. You remain this here for me. I'm going to eat it. Oh, I'll use it for the soup. Because the aroma of the soup like filled everywhere, like the kitchen, everywhere. So back to our pot of soup. I'm also using some dry fish for this soup, guys. This soup is going to be everything. This is my crayfish. I added the ogiri to it, like I blended everything together. Don't worry about the consistency of the soup. I'm adding the pepper soup spice, a mixture of calabash nutmeg, oda seed, Uziza seed, and all that. Mhm. Let them be, serving us what they should serve us. Guys, you need to be inside the kitchen now. So I'm going in with the yam I pounded. Just be scooping them inside the pot in bits. Everything has dissolved. So I'm going in with the first leaf, which is the Uziza leaf. Like you can do just Uziza. I just wanted to use the two leaves, Uziza and the Utazi. I just like the taste it gives. But if you have only Uziza, do with just that. If you have only Utazi, it's still fine. So I'm testing for salt. Everything is perfect. There is no need to add more seasoning or salt. So this is the other leaf, which is Utazi, and this will be the last thing that will be entering our pot. And our white soup. is ready. Now I've turned off the heat. Of course, this soup should be served with any swallow that is smooth of else, like pounded yam, yam pando, semo, and whatever good that you can think of, even oatmeal fufu. Yeah. So please subscribe to my channel if you are new here. Give this video a thumbs up. Yes, I mean give it a thumbs up and then drop your comment and share. Bye.